Hello everyone, myself Dr. Tabassum Kurchi, PG scholar from Department of OBG, Lukman Unani Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Vijaypura. Today I stand before you to speak on a very serious topic, ragging. What do you mean by ragging? Ragging, it is a form of bullying or hazing that involves use of physical, mental, emotional abuse to humiliate or harm others. Ragging, it is a disturbing reality in higher education system of our country. Ragging, it is not at all a tradition that has to be followed or proud of. It's an act that humiliates, degrades, even sometimes endangers a person's life. It is not at all a way to welcome newcomers. Sometimes harmless jokes can have a lifelong psychological impact on the victim. In our country, ragging is not only morally wrong but also a punishable offense under law. According to Grand Commission Act 1956, Section 26, First G, ragging is any conduct by any student by word spoken or written or by any act which has an effect of teasing, handling with rudeness to the fresher or students, which includes rowdy or indisciplinary activity that cause a psychological harm to the students. The University of Grand Commission and Supreme Court of India have declared a zero tolerance policy against ragging. Let's have a look on constituent of ragging according to UGC Act 1956. It consists of 8 acts. First of all, any act by word spoken or written or act that affects of teasing or rudeness to the freshers, rowdy or indisciplinary activity causing physical, psychological harm to the fresher or the students, asking student to do any act which cause or generate sense of shame or embarrassment. Any act by senior that prevent or disturb regular academic activity of the freshers. Any act of putting financial burden on the freshers or students. Any act of physical abuse, sexual abuse. Any act of or abuse by spoken word, by emails or post or public insult. Any act that affect mental health and self-confidence of the freshers. What are the measures that has to be taken from the institute against the ragging? All the institute shall take necessary measures to achieve the objective of elimination of ragging and take action against the student who found guilty. Institute shall put all knowledge about ragging in their brochures. Publicly declaration by institute about ragging on the notice board, all departments, hostel and different area of the building. Institute shall make the committee for the student so that the affected may approach the institute. The student found guilty can face suspension, expulsion and even imprisonment. Love alone are not enough. True change will come only when we as a student decide that our campus will be safe from ragging. Seniors should be mentors, not tormentors. First day of college shall bring excitement, not fear. Let's replace ragging with bounding, fear with friendship. I would like to end this session with a simple thought. Respecting other is the best way to earn respect. Thank you.